This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
All right, so let's dive into this.
Yeah.
Tesla's Q4 2024 performance.
Sounds good.
We've got their official slides to work from, and some really interesting commentary from the earnings call, thanks to investor.com.
Okay.
So it's kind of looking at what's changed since Q3, what's helping and what's hurting Tesla right now.
Yeah, I think what jumps out immediately is this contrast, right? So you have record deliveries
Yeah.
and energy storage deployments are just through the roof.
Yeah.
But then on the other hand, you see that Q4 earnings per share missed the mark and the stock dipped a bit.
Yeah, seeing those record numbers is exciting, right? Like 495,570 vehicles delivered.
Wow.
And they're saying that Model Y is on track to be the best-selling vehicle globally for 2024.
Again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but that EPS miss, it makes you kind of wonder what the bigger picture is here.
Right, and I think this is where comparing Q4 to Q3 gets really interesting.
Yeah.
Because the economic uncertainty hasn't gone away.
Right.
But Tesla's still showing sequential and year-over-year volume growth.
Yeah.
Both for cars and energy storage.
Okay.
So they're managing it somehow.
So growth is good, but everyone's talking about affordability.
Right.
How does that look going from Q3 to Q4?
Yeah, well, they're clearly laser focused on it.
Okay.
They've gotten their cost of goods sold, COGS,
Right.
per vehicle, down to under $35,000,
Wow.
which is their lowest ever.
That's impressive.
And raw material costs improving help a lot there.
Yeah, but we also know that they've been offering financing deals and even some discounts.
Right.
Did that affect their average selling price at all?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a trade-off, right?
Yeah.
Attract more buyers, but at a lower price.
Right.
So it's a balancing act that they're trying to pull off.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Now, while everyone's kind of waiting for the Cybertruck,
Right.
Model Y is still the star, right?
For sure.
What's new there?
Well, they've launched the new Model Y with even more features
Okay.
across all markets,
Okay.
which, could explain some of the record delivery volume.
Right.
But the Cybertruck is starting to make headlines, too.
Yeah.
Production's going at Gigafactory, Texas. And they even deployed a fleet of them equipped with Starlink to help out during those California wildfires.
Oh, wow. Talk about a real-world test.
Yeah, for sure.
And I heard they're expecting the Cybertruck to qualify for that IRA consumer tax credit,
Yeah,
which would make a big difference for affordability.
it would, for sure.
Okay.
They're also highlighting some of the innovative stuff going on with Cybertruck manufacturing,
Yeah.
like their air bending process.
I've heard about this, yeah.
And how they're integrating audio right into the body structure.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What about Optimus, their robot project?
Yeah.
Any big Q4 updates there?
Steady progress is the word.
Okay.
They're refining hand dexterity, how it moves around, training it for new tasks. Still looking at pilot production in 2025, which tells you this isn't just a side project for them.
Right.
Yeah.
And Tesla seems pretty confident in their overall AI development.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They're claiming a significant lead over everyone else in real-world AI.
Mm-hmm.
They've poured a ton of money into AI training infrastructure, especially down in Texas.
Right.
And they see huge potential in both autonomous vehicles and Optimus.
Yeah. Speaking of full self-driving,
Yeah.
it's always a hot topic.
Always.
How did that advance from Q3 to Q4?
Well, they hit a milestone.
Okay.
Over 3 billion cumulative miles driven on FSD.
Wow.
All supervised, of course.
Right.
But still, it's a big number.
Yeah.
And they're really pushing version 13, V13,
I'd say.
as a major step forward in safety and comfort.
So what's so special about V13?
Well, they've basically quadrupled the amount of data going into it,
Okay.
higher resolution video inputs, and completely redesigned the controller. Yeah, they're also bragging about safety stats.
Okay.
In Q4, Tesla vehicles using autopilot tech logged 5.94 million miles between accidents,
Wow.
which is their best quarter yet.
That's impressive.
It is.
But is full autonomy actually on the horizon?
Well, they're still aiming to roll out fully autonomous Teslas in Austin and some other U.S. cities by the end of 2025,
Okay.
with nationwide coverage in 2026.
Right.
Ambitious, to say the least.
Yeah.
But they're already saying that regulation, particularly in Europe and China, is going to be their main hurdle next year.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So amidst all this progress, where does Tesla see itself in the grand scheme of things?
Yeah, well, Musk doesn't shy away from bold predictions, does he?
No.
He's saying there's a path,
Okay.
though not an easy one,
Right.
to Tesla becoming the world's most valuable company.
Okay.
Maybe even worth more than the top 5 companies combined.
That's a pretty wild prediction.
It is.
What's he basing that on?
2 things, mainly. First, he's anticipating insane future demand for stationary batteries. And to all our listeners out there, don't forget to subscribe to NotYourAdvisor.com for more deep dives just like this. We're here to help you navigate the crazy world of finance and investing.
You'll find tons of information and analysis to help you navigate these crazy times. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged.